We stayed at the Holiday Inn Express and Suites Kailua-Kona not once but twice on our trip to the Big Island. See what we saw and hear what we thought about it. What's up, everybody? It's Nick from Who Dat Travel. Now, as I said, we stayed not once but twice at the beginning and the end of our trip at this Holiday Inn Express and Suites in Kailua-Kona. Now, we did this because coming in, we were getting there really late, so it was open. As you can see, walking up, it is actually an open air lobby. It is a really nice lobby. With the pandemic going on, there were a lot of restrictions, and to be able to check in, we did of course have to show our QR codes and the fact that we had negative tests. As you can also see, the breakfast area is pretty barren. They actually don't have breakfast running that you can come up and get it. What they've got right now is behind the counter, you can ask for certain things, and you can see here, breakfast had only been running about 2 hours and it was pretty much emptied out. Also, right outside that open air is the pool. We had a great time. However, right now you do have to actually check out the pool. So you are the only party that's in the pool area. As you can see here, they've got tons of seating, but again, you are the only people that are allowed in. You get an hour's worth of time and you sign up at the front desk. This does mean that you get the pool and the spa all to yourself. As you can see, the spa timer is a little bit hidden. Now here's a shot of the pool and the spa. They are right next to each other, so it is really easy to go back and forth and just have a really nice time as a family. As you can see, they have tarped off easy access for handicap accessible. And as you can see, it is open air. They do have an outdoor shower, which is right next to the door. That actually is for the vending and also the restrooms. Now here's a shot of the vending machines and the restrooms. They are right there with tile, so you can come in and out from the pool and get a bite to eat, get a snack, go to the bathroom, whatever you need to do. Now, let's talk about something that no one likes to do, guest laundry. As you can see, they do have a few machines here that you are able to use. They also have a gym, which also needs to be signed up for. Most everything at the hotel, because of COVID restrictions, has to be signed up, and you are the only party that is allowed inside at that time. That goes for the business center as well, and as you can see, there is a shot of what you get inside the business center. Just your standard couple computers and a printer. Now the rooms itself.
Got 2 queen-size beds, desk, and, well, actually kind of 2 desks. Got a table and 2 chairs, sink and coffee maker. Little man's checking everything out. The fridge, and then a pull-out couch.
Now within our suite, they did have a walk-in shower in our bathroom. You see a large vanity, and the shower was about 6 foot tall. I did still have to lean over just a little bit to actually get under the shower head. Now they did of course have a hairdryer, and here's a close-up of the kitchenette, microwave, Keurig with Hawaiian coffee of course, and a refrigerator with no freezer. Now the desk did pull out from here with the desk chair, and over to the side of it we did also have an additional chair with a little tray table. Now the TV remote was sanitized and placed in a bag each time that we were there, so that is nice to know that they were cleaning. By far the best thing about the Holiday Inn Express was its location. It was just about a block away from the Kona Inn Shopping Village, which my wife found a wonderful coffee shop in. It had Dole Whip. It really is a great little shop area. However, when we were there, about half of it was closed due to the pandemic. Now, across the street there is the Village Farmers Market, which was open Wednesday to Sunday. Now, this is an absolute must-go. It had a lot of great fresh fruit and little trinkets to pick up. Your typical farmers market. Now, some of them are absolutely the same as the other farmers market, but I definitely say go and see it. Now, walking just a little bit farther south down Hulihe Drive, you were able to see and be very close to the beach and also just the ocean and some beautiful views. You had people that were doing yoga on a Sunday morning, just a fantastic area and beach spot to be able to relax. Ali'i Sunset Plaza was within walking distance as well and had some great shops and spots to be able to stop and eat. And make sure that you check out our What to Eat in Hawaii coming out soon. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a huge thumbs up, smash that like button if that's what you're into, and what would really help out is if you'd subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and we'll see you real soon.